Hey there, fellow art enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of linear perspective. This is an essential technique in drawing and painting that allows us to create a sense of depth and space on a flat surface, making our artwork look more realistic. The key principle behind linear perspective is that lines converge toward a single point as they recede into the distance. Interestingly, this concept wasn't always commonplace. In medieval art, for example, buildings were often depicted as if one could walk right through them, but in the 15th century, artists started to revolutionize their approach with the introduction of linear perspective. One of the most famous pioneers of this technique was Leonardo da Vinci. He was one of the first artists to truly grasp and apply linear perspective in his works, such as in The Last Supper. Da Vinci's genius is evident in how he uses this technique to create a sense of space and depth that engages the viewer and enhances the overall impact of his artwork. So there you have it, folks. Linear perspective is an incredible tool used by artists to create depth and realism in their works. Thanks for joining me on this artistic journey. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content on art history. Until next time, keep creating.